Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 2 DIY food inspired slimes. They're going to be super easy, so let's get started with the video. The first slime we're going to be making is going to be a cookie dough inspired slime. It's going to be a buttercream. So first you're going to add in your white PVA glue. I used Elmer's school glue. Then you're going to want to color your slime. So you're going to add in your desired amount of brown food coloring or brown paint. I don't have any of those, so I'm going to be mixing some colors. I mixed green, yellow, and red until I got the perfect brown color that I wanted. Keep in mind that the color will get lighter because you will add some more ingredients. After you mix everything together, you're going to add in some foam soap. This is optional, but I wanted to add it because it's going to make the slime fluffier and also softer. It also makes the smell a little bit better, and also keep in mind that the foam soap might make your slime a little bit less thicker. You can also add in some lotion to make the slime stretchier, but I decided not to. The color is different because I decided to change the color because after a while the color started to get a little bit weird. Finally, you're going to add in your activator, so make sure you add it in little by little. Once the slime gets hard to mix and it starts clumping to itself, take the slime out of your container, then start kneading it. It's going to be very clumpy like this, so don't worry, you haven't ruined the slime, but it's just the activator. Once you finish kneading your slime and it's very smooth and stretchy, then add in your clay. I used Model Magic clay, so it's very stiff when you first open it, so I would recommend adding some lotion to it until it's soft and stretchy, then add it into your slime. Once you've fully mixed in your clay, then you're going to add in a little bit of instant snow. I would recommend to first add dry instant snow into your slime and then mix that in. Then add some instant snow onto your slime and then pour some water over it. Make sure not to put too much like I did here. After you're done with all of that, the slime should be something like this. You can see some of the snow granules in mine because I did add too much water, and I personally do like it because it makes the slime look more like peanut butter. The next slime we're going to be making is going to be inspired by donut icing. So the first thing you're going to do is add in some white PVA glue. Here I'm using Elmer's school glue again. Then you're going to add in some lotion to make the slime stretchier. I'm going to keep my donut icing white, but you can make it whatever color you want. Finally, we're going to add in our activator, so once again make sure you add it in slowly. You can also over activate the slime a little bit because it's going to be a cloud cream. Once the slime gets clumpy, start kneading it with your hands and take it out of the container. It's going to be clumpy, so make sure you knead all the strings out. You're probably confused about why I already have a cloud cream slime right here, but basically I kind of messed up on my recipe for the cloud cream. So what you're going to want to do is, when you pour the white glue into your bowl, also add in your add-ins, and then you're going to want to add in your dry instant snow. Then mix it all together and add in your activator. Once you activate the slime, it should be something like the first slime that you saw. It's going to be very stretchy and has no fallout. As you saw, I did mix the two slimes together because the slime that I mixed the cloud cream with was my failed one, but the texture should still be something like this. Once you finish making your cloud cream, you can add in your add-in. So first I added in some rainbow sprinkles, and then I added in some food Fimo slices, which are basically just sweet candy things. I got these from Beebeecraft for free for the purpose of a review from their YouTube program, so I'm going to leave links to that below. And I also explained how to get free supplies from Beebeecraft in one of my previous videos, so I'm going to link it down in the description below. By the way, I added in a donut charm to finish the slime off.